Let's talk about accommodation reports. So inside of the event, we have this top menu where we can reach for the accommodation by hovering over this. And we have the accommodation reports button here or the link here. We can click on it and it lands us here. So inside of this report, we can see the list of accommodations that have been created and that have been booked. So we have initially this, it's based on the room. So basically it might have the same hotel, but the rooms are different. So it will be showing the listing on the basis of the room. So you can see this hotel name is Hyatt Regency Sydney, but this listing is for the deluxe room and its type is double and its price per night and total commission and run of house, everything is listed here. And similarly, we have the Sheraton Melbourne Hotel, and you have this prime room which is king size which has a king size bed. And similarly, we have another room within the same hotel which is deluxe prime room, and you can see there are different details for this. And now this is basically a simple listing of what rooms are available, what hotels they belong to, what are the prices and commissions, and what is the run of the house. Then we have this delegates report where we can see which delegate has booked which hotel and which room and what is the cost of that room and how much have they paid and how much how many nights they have prepaid for, and if they're sharing this or they have any notes added. You can see I can perform some actions here. I can get I can email the users, and I can also we can also apply some filters here. And even though I don't need to apply one right now, uh, we might apply one. Let's say the arrival night is the 2nd of this, and apply. And you can see Vijay Sharma is arriving on this particular date. Now let's clear this filter, clicking on filter and clear all. And now I can see all of the listings. And you can also click on the delegate to be able to see everything in detail. You can see the details here by clicking on it. You can see this accommodation box, or you can go directly to the accommodations section and check out whatever is whatever the booking that has been booked. We can go back, and now we are back at the delegate report, and then we have pending transfer. We can click on pending transfer, and you can see there's one delegate whose transfer is pending. What pending transfer report gives us, it means that someone has booked a hotel, and then whatever the cut they're about to receive from the hotel as a commission, they have received it. So this listing shows pending. So whoever's money or commission hasn't been transferred to the client, which in case is you, if it hasn't been transferred, then this would say pending transfer. And we can also have a batch process here, which clicking on here the batch process. So having this batch process here, we can click on go and it would be marked as transferred, and then this would disappear from this listing. And then we have blocking report. In the blocking report, it shows us which hotels have been booked for how many rooms, and uh, basically like a pre-booking. So if we have a room, we have assumed that we will be needing 3 rooms on this particular day, so we'll be blocking them from the hotel, and then the actual booking is shown here. So you can see here Hyatt Regency Sydney deluxe room, you can see there's one blocked and one booked. So that means there's no one available now, no room. There was one blocked and it has been booked. Similarly, there are other options here. Deluxe room again for 3rd of January. This is basically a listing according to the dates. So that's it about the blocking report. You can click on the drop down, you can click on the other hotel and see its report, and you can also print it. You can have the print button here, and you can click and you'll find the PDF downloading. And then we have the sharing partner report. If anybody who has booked an accommodation and is going to share their accommodation with someone, then they'll be displayed here. So sharing user is this Vijay Sharma here, and The accommodation owner is someone with this email ID. And if the sharing delegate is registered, no. So it would mean that this other person who is supposed to share accommodation with this person, Vijay Sharma, is not part of this event. That's it about the accommodation reports. Thank you.